Wasn't that neat, Con? Sunset is coming. That's a classic, all right.
Can't believe you found that.
That was the late 70s.
Yeah.
And then in the early 80s, Cheryl married a preacher.
Right.
And it was okay as long as he was just preaching. But when he took his church and his first pastorate, then she decided to stay home with him, which we agreed with her totally. But we know what we were going to do. We tried a trio. You remember that?
Yes.
Oh, my. But it was good that Carol was on hand to help us out. And she came back at that particular time. And that's what prompted us singing this song, I think.
Yeah.
Don't you, on that first project we did with Carol? I'm going to sing till I die.
This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. It started long ago when I was but a girl, sitting round the whole place far away. I would sing for my daddy, and I sang for my precious mom, singing about this little light of mine. And I'm gonna sing till I die. I'm gonna lift my voice and sing up to the sky. I'm gonna tell the gospel story about my Jesus and his saving glory. And I'm gonna sing till I die. Now when I reach that shore where friends will part no more, we'll be in the presence of the King. There we're gonna sing again, and our songs they will never end. Songs about love and how that it lifted me. And I'm gonna sing till I die. I'm gonna lift my voice and sing up to the sky. I'm gonna tell the gospel story about my Jesus and his saving glory. And I'm gonna sing till I die. I'm gonna sing till I die. I'm gonna lift my voice and sing up to the sky. I'm gonna tell the gospel story about my Jesus and his saving glory. I'm gonna sing till I die.
That's a very good song from the McCameys. I'm going to sing till I die, because that was our feelings then and still